Now let's sing it in a round.
Let's sing a birthday cake.
Right there.
You coming, Lily? We'll get
Lily
you a
wants
piece
to
in just
see.
one.
Lily wants to see.
Oh, cool.
I'm gonna have some birthday cake.
Thank you.
Now she wants a chicken wing.
Ooh, isn't that pretty?
All right, birthday girl.
Best
You this
birthday
one.
cake
See
ever.
what
Oh,
happens.
there's gonna be a mess in here.
Wow.
Next one's for Lily. Next one's for Lily.
Yeah, we're gonna cut you one next.
You want me to take it?
Alright, we don't mind. She doesn't know where to start. She don't mind. She wants to be where the action is.
Oh, yours was very boring.
Bye bye. There's your daddy.
Come on.
Wanna go to daddy? No, she says I
No,
want.
I want chicken
I
wing.
think she means pie pie.
Oh.
Come here, Lily.
I guess we'll just pass them out to
You want some?
I need a napkin, so I'm not.
Am I still?
I'll bring some paper towels.